Today, I'm going to show you how to take apart and reassemble this classic wooden Burr puzzle. First, let's take a look at how the puzzle comes apart. Step 1. Find the sliding piece. Gently check each piece to see which one can move. There is always one piece that slides slightly. This is the key. Step 2. Slide the first piece out. Push the movable piece outward until it releases from the structure. Once this piece comes out, the puzzle will begin to loosen. Step 3. Remove the second piece. With the first piece removed, another piece will now slide freely. Pull it out carefully. Step 4. Continue removing the loose pieces. At this point, the puzzle is no longer locked. Remove the remaining pieces one by one, without using force. Step 5. Fully separate all 6 wooden pieces. Lay them out on the table. You should now have 6 individual pieces ready for labeling or inspection. Now let's play the disassembly in reverse so you can see the full assembly sequence in one smooth motion. To make the tutorial easier to follow, let's number all 6 pieces from 1 to 6. Each piece has different cutouts and channels. These grooves determine the exact order of assembly. Let's take a quick look at the structure of each piece. Assembly. Step 1. Step 1. Place piece number 1 and piece number 2 together to form a cross. This creates the core foundation of the entire puzzle. Step 2. Slide piece number 3 in from the side. It should go in halfway and interlock with pieces 1 and 2, forming a 3-dimensional frame. Step 3. Insert piece number 4 from the opposite side. Make sure its cutout lines up with the groove on piece number 3. Step 4. Add piece number 5. This piece is usually the locking bar and it stabilizes the entire structure. Final step. Slide in piece number 6. This piece completes the lock and secures the puzzle. And that's it! The Burr puzzle may look complicated, but once you understand the sequence, it becomes very fun to solve. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe.